I came back around the front of the SLG78VF gas screener here. And just like on our electric screeners, we've designed in to the structure and the frame these frontal lift pockets here that allow you to come in and pick this screener up and pack it around on site or load it up on your trailer with a set of pallet forks. That being said, we have designed these bucket transport lugs here. These are designed for the 78 series machines. Very easy to install. Again, we have the cutout at the back end so you can drop a pin through and lock them in place if needed. Easy as pie, really, to use these. You'll notice again that the bottom is longer than the top, and it's heavier and bigger, and that allows you to heel against it, and it makes it easier for you to come in with your cutting edge of your bucket and pick it up. So you just grab a hold of them here and slide them in place, drop your pins in the back, and boom, you're ready to move this screener. Now, one thing about this, if you don't want to be packing your pallet forks around, you want to use these, it's just as easy. You just pull them out, and again, you just throw them beside the screener, and then you're ready to go. You're ready to start screening. Then once you want to move the screener again, you just reverse that, drop them in there, pick it up, pack it wherever you want to go. Very easy system, very simple. Again, go back and kind of beat that same drum that putting a set of wheels and a hitch on a screener for us makes absolutely no sense. Most guys don't move their screeners around a whole heck of a lot, but having to dedicate an extra vehicle to tow those around, worrying about license, insurance, the liability, the wiring, tires, making sure they're up, make sure the brakes are working. We just find it to be a lot of extra expense that's not needed, and it doesn't make you any money. So our bucket transport and fork pocket system we find is just the most efficient, most cost-effective way to transport and move these screeners.